So this is the Yaheetech garden planter. Let me show you how easy it is to build up. Literally took me maybe 30 minutes, and I hate DIY, but really fancy, and let me show you the end game once it's all planted. So here is how it comes. It's all different parts, nicely labelled and numbered, so it makes it really simple to understand and good instructions. And very simple setup. You don't need a drill, just hand screwdriver, keep on twisting. It's about 4 per post, but it's very simple. It's already divoted in terms of it's easy to insert. It holds it in place and you just twist very easily. Builds up very quickly actually once you've done the base, and you don't need to use all levels if you don't want to. I've done all 3, but I just think it looks really smart. And in a minute I'll just show you what you can do to take them off, but they're just lift and shift. But it's very easy to set up. Also the wood smells really good. As I said, very easy to take apart. Just lift it off once it's set all screwed in, and it's very lightweight as well. But it is sturdy enough that it will take a bit of pressure with the soil. I'll just show you what that looks like.